Hey everybody, it is Thursday, May 27th. On Tuesday, I was tagged by Sandy to do a Get to Know Me Better tag. Uh, I know I'm a couple days late. I'll explain that all in another video. But I'm going to do the tag today to get to know me better. So hang on, here it comes. Okay, there are 10 questions. So. Question number 1. You are sailing away to a deserted island. What 3 things do you take? I'm taking my dog. So that's number 1. And so I'm bringing dog food. That's number 2. I'm taking my food scale. I guess that'd be number 3. I think very exciting, right? Number 2. What did you do today that made you think hard? Well, it's still early. So I'm going to say this tag. It's the hardest thing I'm doing today. Number 3 is list 5 random facts about yourself. Okay, Sandy, you're going to like this. I sang on the Phil Donahue show back in the summer of 1970. I was with the All Ohio State Fair Youth Choir, and we appeared on the Phil Donahue show. But I was with a group of kids in that we were kind of over on the side, and we were just singing it. At the time, many of you won't know this song, but there was a song that was popular on the radio called Rubber Ducky. And we were just goofing around singing Rubber Ducky. And they asked us to sing it on the show. So I was on the Phil Donahue show. Along that same lines, I used to travel in a Christian rock band, and I have cut 2 records. You know, records are the big ones, not the little CDs. That's a second random fact. Let's see. Number 3, I lived in San Francisco for a couple months, working for a mission group there. Let's see. Number 2, random fact about myself. Blonde is not my real hair color. You probably already knew that. And let's see. That takes me down to one more random fact about myself. I'm real good at starting craft projects and real bad at finishing them. For an example, I have a quilt in a bag in my closet, in my craft room, that I started maybe 6 years ago. I don't know if I'll ever get it finished, but it's pretty. I wish I would, because I made it specifically for this bed. I started to make it for this bed. Okay, number 4 is, can you describe 2 strengths I have? Wow. Number 1, I'm resilient, which means I bounce back. Number 2, I have a good sense of humor. Okay, so number 5 is describe 2 weaknesses and how to make them strengths. Well, one weakness is I love to eat. So how I can turn that into a strength is I love to eat healthy, or learn how to eat healthy and share that. 2 weaknesses, let's see. The second one is I wear my heart on my sleeve. And how to make that a strength? I don't know, you tell me. I don't know how to figure that one out. I'm sure I have more than 2 weaknesses. I mean, the second weakness is I love to eat. Okay, number 6. Name someone who influenced you and why. There are so many. I'm going to go back to high school here. There are two teachers in high school that I had that actually made me want to become a teacher. The first one was a math teacher. His name was Mr. Gilliland. Unfortunately, he was killed in a car accident, I think my junior year of high school. But he always really encouraged me to push my mind. He was a math teacher. I had him for freshman math. I had just signed up for general math. He convinced me I was better than just general math, and so I was sitting in his classroom while the whole classroom was doing general math. I was doing calculus. So he kind of proved to me that I could do anything I put my mind to. And then the other teacher that I had is his name is Mr. Chanu. He was the choir director. And he actually is the one that sent me to the State Fair Youth Choir. And that's where I decided I wanted to become a choir director. I knew I wanted to be a teacher. There were three subjects I was contemplating teaching. The first one was math. The second one was English. And the third one was music. And oddly enough, music was my last choice, but that's where my talent excelled. So that's where I ended up. But anyway, Mr. Shanu really, really encouraged me to sing and even, because I was not only in choir, I was also in band, but, to pursue music. So anyway, okay, what is your favorite part of your personality? That's a hard one. I'm not sure. I I think my favorite part is that I'm not even sure. You guys probably would know better than me. Uh, I can find strength after going through extreme sadness, or I can find the good in things. Maybe. I don't know if that's personality or character, but I'm pretty happy-go-lucky. I mean, I'm lighthearted most of the time. How would your best friend describe you? Loyal and funny, I think. It's hard to say because I don't really have a best friend anymore. Number 9, what is your favorite thing to treat yourself? Well, the thing that I use to treat myself is the thing that I shouldn't use because I use food to treat myself, which is usually ice cream, pizza, or a good Mexican restaurant. Um, Occasionally, it's a trip to the craft store or the fabric store. I think lately, it's just road trips, though. Number 10, this is the last one. When do you feel the most confident? I feel the most confident um, when I am following a strict Weight Watchers program and succeeding on that. That's when I really do feel the most confident. I'm just looking at my hair. You see how this thing hangs down all the time? It's done that for years. I have like a second grade picture of me, and it's that same string of hair hanging down. I just happen to look at that and think, things don't change much. But anyway, when do I feel the most confident? I think that's when I feel the most confident is when I know that I have accomplished what I set out to do for the day, and when my eating is in check, and when I've got control of that, and when I can see the results. So, and I know we probably shouldn't do that, but that's just that's my season of life right now. So, okay, that's my questions. I'm not going to specifically tag anybody. If you would like to to do this, please do it. I'll list the questions down below. Like, comment, subscribe, share. This was just a fun thing. Thanks again, Sandy, for tagging me. It's been a while since I've done a tag. And I will be back later today to show you what I've been eating on the Blue Plan. I've had a good week so far. See you guys soon.